had to share this with you guys because I'm a big fan. I always associate myself with Josh Baskin because I've always wanted to work at a toy company where I can just test toys all day. Maybe it's my life now, I'm not sure. I don't get paid, so I do get paid in toys though, which I'm totally happy about. But I picked this up at Target. This is my favorite movie. I live in New York. FAO Schwarz is a staple in my past, and I used to go there. I remember in first grade I went there when the movie just came out, and we played on the piano. We jumped on it. It wasn't as big as the one in the movie. They actually had some movie magic, they told us, and it was so exciting. So seeing this at Target, I just had to grab it. So there's 3 other ones to get. There's Josh Baskin when he gets small again and he's wearing the suit, when his wish finally comes true to not be big anymore. And then there's Josh Baskin on the piano. They even have his stance when he's playing chopsticks. And this one I have to get. It's the 6-inch Zoltar. This is the one that changed the movie. And if you go to FAO Schwarz in New York City, and I'm sure some other FAO Schwarz throughout the US and other countries, they have this. It's like the epitome of like 80s nostalgia. I really gotta be careful. I wanna keep this box. Okay, this is the scene when they're at the party for his job, and I'm not sure, I can't remember if it was a holiday party or what, but he arrives in this like crazy suit that he rented. Excuse me, my hands are green. I've been baking for the holidays. And anyway, he shows up in this like wacky suit. Look at it. There's like some filigree at the side. I love the details of the actual pop, but I'm just explaining how ridiculous this suit is. And he just walks in here and he is totally like, he thinks nothing of it because he's a child essentially in a man's body. So he comes in, he goes to eat, and of course he picks up some caviar and some other stuff, and then he eats that and he spits it out. But then he finds a small corn and he eats it like it's a corn on the cob, but it's really not. And the way the sound of that scene, it's just, I could still hear it. Like, I think I watched this movie like over 100 times, like honestly. And looking back at it now, it's really inappropriate. But anyway, for a little kid to watch. This is a beautiful pop. I love it. I love Tom Hanks. This is a great addition. If you see it at Target, definitely grab it. This is a piece of 80s nostalgia right here. This is the movie that basically is the quintessential 80s kid movie, and every kid wants to be big, but they see that when you're an adult, it's not that much fun. You got to pay bills, you have deadlines, just like he did. And when his friend used to come and visit him from Jersey, he saw that he was changing because he wasn't fun anymore. So I'm loving this pop. I love the way it looks. It's so awesome. My gosh, it's great. They should totally make the guy that was at the St. James Motel the guy that was behind the counter. Guys, let me know what you think of this awesome Josh Baskin Funko Pop. The movie was made by the great Penny Marshall, and this was like one of her like best movies. So I love this movie. I'm so happy we have it in pop form, and I can't wait to get the rest of the collection. All right, guys, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, ring the bell, whatever. No one's watching anyway on YouTube. But if you're watching IGTV, please don't forget to like and follow. Thank you so much. Have a great day.